Creating a professional website without any coding knowledge is still challenging. You need to face problems like development cost is very high, you do not have time to develop a website from scratch, and so on. Today, I will show you how you could create a stunning website for your business with zero coding knowledge. Sounds interesting, right? Hey guys, welcome to CGS Themes. Here is the step-by-step process of creating a website for your business. Install Default WordPress on your hosting server. If you are not aware of how to install WordPress, click the URL displaying on this video. Go to Appearance, Themes. Click on Add New button. On the search bar, write CGS. Click on the Install button. Then, click on the Active button to activate the theme. It will redirect you to this page where you can see Get Started with Demo Importer button. Click on this button. Wait for some time until all the necessary files will import. Once the import will done, it will redirect you to this page where you can see all the list of other templates. If you want to see the paid themes, click on the Pro Theme button. Else, click on the Import Free Theme button. Before that, let us check how your current website homepage looks like. You need to click on Visit Site link on the top left corner of your screen. You can see there are less content and only one banner. Now go back to the template listing page in the admin panel and click on the Import Free Theme button to download any theme. For example, I am clicking on the Import Free Theme button of Corporate Theme. Give some time to import all the files, folders and database of the corporate theme. The import time will depend on your internet speed, so please wait for some time. Once the import finish, you will see this message. This means all the data has been imported. Once done, check the content of the website. You can see all the images and content of the corporate template is on your website homepage now. All those themes are multi-purpose. That means you can create any kind of website on your own based on your business niche. All the images, content can be managed easily using drag and drop builder. In another video, I will show you how you could manage them with the builder. Go to cgsthemes.com create your stunning website today.